Annyeong everyone. It's Era, and I have been living here in South Korea for almost 4 years now. And for this video, I am gonna be unboxing the Samsung's new Z Flip phone, which is the Z Flip 7. And actually, I ordered it during the pre-order, which ended yesterday, July 21. And today is July 22, and I actually got it here. The box is here. Here you go. And also I got the case for it. Of course, we need to protect the um, phone as well. But let me tell you a backstory before we unbox it together. I have been using my personal phone, which is also a Samsung, and this is the S10 Samsung. I've been using this ever since I came to Korea last 2021. And this one is the first ever Samsung Flip, which is in the purple color. I just recently changed the case after 2 years. So this one is with me, I think, 2.5 years now. I use this for work. So basically for my full-time work and also for my content creation as well. And to be honest, the screen is so nice still. Some people on the internet tells that flip phones are just so vulnerable, but from my experience, it is not. Samsung phones are really great. So I decided to invest for a new phone this year. Earlier this year, I was contemplating to change it from S10 to S25 Ultra, but my personality sticks more on the flip one, so I waited until July. My oppa actually research about it, like if they are gonna be releasing a new series, Z Flip series and Z Fold series this year, and I'm more than happy that I got this one. So this is the box that I got, and I got it today. That is how fast the delivery here in Korea. Let's unbox it. Here you go. This is the flip. I actually checked it in person last July 15, right after my part-time work in Emart. I almost decided to buy it on Emart because they have like sale and like hetek or harin or discount. But I personally bought this from Samsung.com. And if you are a member of the Galaxy Campus, you'll get a discount as well. So here you go, guys. This is the box. So pretty, right? Okay. And let me just take a photo of this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Actually, when I was checking the fold and the flip, I almost fell for the fold because it was so light, guys. And let's open now. There's no going back. Oh my gosh. Ah, there you go. Can you guess what color I got, guys? I was actually expecting like an aesthetic color like white or ivory or silver, but there's none, so I got the jet black. There you go. It's so light actually. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. Here you go. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the phone, guys. Right? Oh, okay. The box is so thin. I thought there's no other inclusions. But this is line cushion, I guess. Oh yeah. So it comes with the manual, the SIM ejector, and also the charger. This is C2C type. There's no adapter. So yeah, that is what it contains. Let me just do a short video. So now this is how the phone looks like, guys. If it doesn't have any other apps installed, but here we have, of course, the Play Store and some Samsung apps, Google apps. It also has the Microsoft one with that OneDrive, Outlook, and M365 Copilot. Of course, the Gemini. There's also the Facebook and Instagram installed already. And then Global Goals, YouTube Music. I guess YouTube is also here, yes. So this is how it looks like, guys. The camera is pretty good. So let me try to show it to you with the Hamyan. So this is how it looks like. I can control it here, but you can also like check it here. And then I can also like use the cover camera as well. And then like this. But I can also use like this. I can also use like this. So nice. This is until 10 for the zoom, and it also has the 0.6 for the camera. For the other features, we have expert raw, pro video, night, food, panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, and portrait video. We also have dual recording and single take. So let me just check the dual recording. Oh, okay. It looks like the Instagram one. So you can take a video in front of you and at the back. Which is nice because the flip one doesn't have it. This one is really nice. The interface is good. And that's it for the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. To end this video, I am gonna be putting this is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 clear magnet case. I also got it from Samsung.com app. This is how it look like. It's separate. And this one doesn't have anything here, of course, because of the cover, but under it has the whole coverage. So let me just put that one up. Yeah. Okay, that was satisfying. And for the upper one, so this is how it looks like. Let me just remove the QR code. This is how it looks like with the case. To be honest, it's so pretty, guys. I love the clear case. I got this from New Art. Ta-da! Okay, that's it. So it looks like. I also bought a cute capybara casing, but that would be arriving this week. And if you fold it, ta-da! And for the clear case, guys, this part is not like protected if you fold it. But there are cases in Kupang, which is a Korean. It's so packetable, it's lightweight, and I think I'm gonna be doing another review after a month of use of this one as my personal and work phone. So that's it, guys, for this video. I am really happy with my purchase. I just hope that it will last me again like 4 to 5 years. So yep, this is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 unboxing, and see you on my next vlog. Annyeong!